I'm just doing a little video of this space. This is the before, because I am going to be this weekend creating my studio up here. I'm going to do shelves. There's going to be another table. I'm going to put protection down on the floor, which I should have done a long time ago. This is the little drying area. And now I'm going to bring you downstairs and show you the space downstairs. This is the space that I have downstairs, and I love this space, but my son moved back in, and it's very difficult to create down here now because he's down here with his friends. So I am going to be in a very organized fashion, since upstairs is my living room, so I don't want to look messy, be bringing all this up. I am taking the shelves for sure. I am taking this table. I'm gonna take this cart and take this. I'm excited to work on that this weekend. And I'm probably not going to be bringing all of my canvases up, and like I'll have some overflow down here. But I'm excited. The other thing I was thinking was to take these two organizers and just put a table, but then I actually have to buy a taller chair, and I don't want to do that. Trying to do this on a limited budget. I might just bring this one, which is an organizer, like cubby thing, up, and that's it. But we will see. I'm gonna videotape the process so I can show you my new craft room. Okay. So I'm definitely going to fast forward that process, but I just wanted to show you. I have another one and then I have that to make. And I'm going to take a break because that took me a little while, but not hard. And I didn't put the wheels on because I want it to slide right underneath that table. So I'm going to fill it now and then I'm going to come back and show you. I mean, it's very sturdy. It moves pretty smooth. And I'm going to fill it with molds right now. So I'll be back. So, this is pretty close to being done for the most part. I have some things to do, but I am really happy with it so far. I'm going to still do stuff on the top there, but I just wanted to show you what's going on here. This is all my mixed paint. These come out, but the thing is moving, so I don't want to completely move it. This is all of my acrylic paint, sort of sorted by color. Love these drawers. Move this chair out of the way. Underneath here is the one with all the molds, and it fits under there perfect without the wheels in it. That is my glitter. This is all alcohol inks and some acrylic inks. That's more overflow of glitter. The jewelry things, embossing powders, the scale. This is just some assortment of resin and various different things. I just got the Arteza mica powders, which I actually created these with them. They came out super cool. These are letters too that I use the mica powders in. Let's see. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit more and display artwork. This is my tall alcohol inks, which as I run out of a color here, I get the larger one. I'm gonna get more of these shelves all the way up, so I'll be able to organize a few things and put some artwork up there. This is my ikea, I don't know what it's called, shelving thing. I did get that one from Michael's, but I did not put it together. That is my dog Hollister, who actually picked up the bed and moved it there, so he has claimed that location. This is actually gonna change too, because I'm gonna need to get a little bit of a longer table, so I'll probably come out to right about here, and then I just need to, I'll probably take the wheels of this off and then slide that underneath there is probably what I'm gonna do. These are my own, this is my first attempt, hence the horrible glitter, because I had a nightmare. I had poured the mold mix. I got these 3D printed. These are my masters. And it's my first attempt at pouring and making the silicone molds. And about an hour after I poured it in there, I had glitter explosion. So here you could see that one. I'm gonna see if I can get some paint. I'm just worried because this is my first time and it's super thin here. So, and I don't mind if the glitter's in there for the first mold. So I'm gonna do that now and we'll see how these come out. But thanks for taking a look at my new studio space, which I literally took over this corner in my living room. So it's crazy, but I'm already up here doing it anyway, so might as well do it. Thanks.